Hey there, it's Kylie with WTI.
So my husband is always working on projects around the house. So I surprised him with this DOWELL 61-piece tool set kit, which he absolutely loves. This kit comes with a variety of basic tools that you can use around the house. We've used them to put together furniture, to fix a bike, to work on our trailer. The uses are really endless. This kit is also pretty compact, so it's really easy to take and travel with. The tools come in this really nice sturdy storage box which has a spot for each tool. Again, this makes the set super transportable and really nicely organized. There are a few tools that have some really nice features in this set. The screwdriver is magnetic, so that's really great because it can prevent the screws from falling off really easily. This Allen wrench has a ball end design, so it allows an entry angle of up to 25 degrees, so you can easily reach around any sort of obstructions. There's a 3/8-inch drive quick release ratchet, and it actually has a 10-piece socket set. Overall, this tool set from DOWELL has been a great addition to our home. We use it for all sorts of projects.
And that's my point of view.